perp today. Check it out. Kool-Aid man, what's up? Half-inch aluminum EMC. Vale, vale.
Not sure why we're talking about purple shirts and the Kool-Aid man. Well, let's just move forward and get started. Half-inch aluminum EMC, doing a little hogging, making an L-shaped part. I am only using one vise at the moment. Normally I use all four, but these parts, there's only one or three at a time. It's kind of lame, and they're tight tolerances, so I gotta keep it to a minimum of one vise and focus on that one vise, because I'm not that smart. Aside from all that drama, what kind of music you guys are listening to? I like all genres myself, no discrimination. I guess I favor rock and roll or like heavy metal, like Deftones, Stone Temple Pilots. But do some rap, I do some country folk, bluegrass, and I like ambient sounds, as you can hear in my music that I put for my videos. Let's hear what you like. If you like, I don't know how I'm gonna hear what you like, actually. That'd be impossible. Well, hit like if you're a champion. Subscribe if you're a savage. Oh!
What is making? An L for loser.
Apparently I really want you guys to know this is an L shape for loser. Now if you watch closely in that there window, you'll see the real loser doing the running man while he's at work. Why? I like my other thing that I said later. It's an L for Leah, which is my wife's name, and it's her birthday coming up on Saturday. Ooh, happy birthday, Leah! I love you. The struggle is real. Let's get our together, huh? Or not. There we go. Now let's pretend I look busy with some paperwork. Like we know what we're doing. What was that? Couldn't really understand you there, partner. The concentration. Huh? After watching that back, that's a little aggressive with that there dead blow. I'm not sure if you caught that, but I said a face mill is coming through there. I'm gonna give that sucker a flat top. But first, we must probe the part with our Renishaw wireless intuitive probe system. Got Otis over there against the wall on the inside the mill. Communicates with Otis I think it's in the VF9 across the way. Some kind of wireless system, and yeah, it helps out. Datum's on the right side, which actually was wrong. The program has it on the left hand side, and the setup sheet had it on the right hand side. Devin, if you caught that. I'm gonna go a little stag here for a second. Bear with me. What I'm saying is I don't have to change anything but my X, because it's from the bottom of the part on all the setup sheets for all three positions, and my X is the only thing that's moving, because I'm moving my part to hang off the vise like maybe 1.5 inches, where it was probably in the middle of the vise around there. So yeah, I had to move it over a little bit. Actually, if I change it, it might mess it up, because I want it to stay the same throughout the part, so the Y stays the same as well.
Positive Z, positive Y, positive X. That's your trick. Tip of the day. So, positive. It's a good day.
Tip of the day, right hand, middle finger to your thumb. Point towards the back of your machine. Positive. Alright, we're all ready to go, and we got our aluminum EMC 1/2 inch taking off the corner of that L-shaped part. But as you can see, I'm running into a problem. Obviously, we don't want to waste money and cut air. So I'm going to pause or kind of just get stuck on stupid and let it run to see what happens for a second and abort. I'm going to stay stuck on stupid just a little bit longer. Crickets. Crickets. Sorry for wasting your time. Back to the show.
That's not right.
Let's try this again. That looks more like it. That there is a locating pin, 3/4 undercut. Make sure my part goes under there, and I said my Z is good. In Z formation. Do it like a tiger. So I had me cut the profile of the L shape, and then it flips over. Has me hang it over the edge, and then it cuts the top off. You can see that's why it looks so weird. There it is. That's the one I messed up before. The aluminum EMC. Here it comes. Don't say anything. Shh. Oh, hey, bro. How's it going, man? anticlimactic. That's it. All that stress and gray hair and messed up programming and whatnot to deal with that. Don't mind the coolant on the screen. Yeah. I said don't mind it. Gosh. What am I gonna do about it? Is there anybody out there? We're pretty spoiled over here with the chamfer. That gets rid of all the edges, and he also puts a radius on all the corners on our parts. So if you guys aren't doing that, your programmer's slacking. Shout out to Dev. Hit like and subscribe. We are done. L for Leah, my wife. That's the end of the show. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you liked it. If not, it's okay.